Okay. All right. This is recorded, and everyone in YouTube, all my students have turned dumb. They cannot speak. Speak, Nimesh, speak. See, he cannot speak. Abhinav, speak. No, everyone is dumb. So, YouTube, my students are dumb now. Oh, God. Hi. All right. So, that's enough overacting for today. Okay, let's see how we add, right? So addition in decimal is like normal addition, right? So whenever you have normal addition, if you have like 25 and then you're adding 125. So if you have this two addition, if you add it like this, if you add it like this, what will happen? So if you add it like this, I'll just underline from this either. So if I'm supposed to add it, what will happen if I add it like this? Is this a correct addition? Just shake your head if you say no. No need to. So if I write 1 plus 2, 3, 5 plus 2, 7, and 3. Is this a correct addition? Can I add it like that? Can I add this 1 and 2? This is 25's 2. Can I add it with 100's 1? No, right? We need to put the numbers in their right place. So that is this. So what does that right plus place means? Not plus place, right place. Okay, my tongue. So right place means one's place, right? One's place should be aligned straight. So this is one's place. 5 is in one's place, 3 is in one's place. They should come straight. And 2 is in tens place. This 2 is also in tens place. They should be straight with each other. And 1 and 0, nothing there. So it's okay. So this is how you do. All right. Jayant, stop doing it, Jayant. Stop doing your magic. We don't want to see it. Get out. All right. So now this is one thing that we know. In decimal also same thing applies. Same rule applies. In decimal also, if you're adding 0.231 plus 0.1456, if you're adding this, okay, no, let's write more zeros here. Let's write more zeros here. So if you're adding this, what do you need to take care of? You need to see all the places are aligned correctly or not. So by aligned correctly, I mean this is what? This is 10th place, right? 10th place. 10th place. After point, we have 10th place. Okay, I'm not going to write everything because it's going to take a long time. Okay, so I'm just going to say it. Right? This is 10th place after point, right? They are straight. Good. This is 100th place. Good. Straight. This is 1000th place. Straight. Good. So now we can add. So while adding, if you have any question, raise your hand. But these people have raising their hand since beginning. So I don't know if you have question or not. So do you have question? If you still have question, raise. So now I'm adding 1 plus 3, 4, like normal addition. Right? 3 plus 0, 0. 3, sorry, not 0. 2 plus 0, 0. Point in points place, 0, 0 in zeros place. So it's normal addition. Here are also carryovers. If I'm adding, okay. So this is easy question. Now let's do something with carryovers. So the first thing is just aligning everything straight. So what if I have another digit here? What if I have another digit like this? Okay, if I have another digit like 9, is Supreme, are you raising your hand? Here. Now what do I need to do? I have a 10,000th place, right? So I have to bring a 10,000 place here also by adding a 0. My dog is here. Okay, so now Supreme, okay, I'm letting you speak, Supreme. You're raising your hand for, okay. What is it, Supreme?
सर के हजुर यो अगाडिको पोइन्ट भन्दा अगाडिको जेरोलाई नि एड गरेर जेरो लेख्दिनु
Yes. Whatever there is, just add गरिदिनुस्. Zero add zero is zero, right? So that's it. So okay.
सर यो पोइन्ट पनि लेख्नुपर्छ?
Yes, point is important part of decimal. Point लेखेन भने number को meaning अर्को हुन जान्छ. So I'll just write this number differently here. Okay. Now यस्तो छ है. यहाँ यो 0 थिएन, मैले 0 किन ल्याएको त? तल 9 आयो. So त्यो 9 सँग जोड्नको लागि माथि केही चाहियो, and I can always put 0 after point, right? So that's why I'm putting it there. If there is confusion about that, you can ask. Now I'm going to do one addition of carryover, then I'll go to take your questions, right? I'll come to take your question. I see many hands are raising. So 9 plus 0, 9. This is simple addition. 4 plus 1, 1 plus 3, 4. Nothing new. Now 8 and 3 kati huncha? 11, right? So what do we do? 11, 1 here, carry over 1. Same thing, same addition, carry over here. Now 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 1, 11. I'm using that carry over to get my answer. I get 11. Again, carry over 1. So 0 plus 0, 0, and there is 1. So carry over, when you add all this with the carryover, your answer will be 1 point. Point will also remain in the same place. Tintai number ko point एउटै ठाउँमा हुनुपर्छ. You cannot change the place of point. Okay, so that is how you add, and similarly you will subtract, but we'll not do subtraction right now. So I will give you one question for everyone to do, and then I will see chat. I will just give you one question first, right? Everyone, this is your question. Oh no. Okay, 0 point plus 0 point. All right, so I want you to add this. Now I'm taking questions. I have so many people raising their hand. I will take them one by one. Rihanna, what do you have to say, Rihanna?
Sir, may I go to toilet?
Yeah, okay. My favorite question. All right, go to toilet. And Abhinav, what do you have to say? Abhinav?
R.
Yes. That's it, sir? Nothing?
Sir, nothing. Sir, मैले के क्लिक गरेको मैले.
You. Lower your hand, please. Okay, next, Shraman, what do you have to say? Shramanji?
Sir, I think my keyboard is broken. If I type something, it is automatic typing. Stop
Okay.
it.
Okay, that's a
Sir,
mad
it is
keyboard.
automatic
Mad keyboard
in
alert,
chat.
mad keyboard. You have a mad keyboard. Throw it out of the window. No, I'm
Sir,
joking.
It has
Yes?
been correct.
Okay.
Sir, it was being like automated. Blah, 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 blah.
Oh,
Sir, I
sorry,
cannot
sorry.
unmute
I
myself
don't
for
say this
some
normally.
time.
Everyone in YouTube, I don't tell my students to throw their keyboard. I was just joking. Don't take it in another way. Okay.
Sir, I'm going to unmute me myself. Don't unmute me.
Okay. Jayant, what is it?
सर जस्तै कि यसमा हैन
Yes.
अलमाथि धेरै डिजिट आयो भने यो 0 पनि बढ्छ भनेको जस्तो कि छुट्टै अझ धेरै नम्बर आयो
Yes. So if there are like 8 आयो यहाँ भने माथि 0 थप्दै जान मिल्छ. अझै माथि 9 आयो, 6 आयो भने तल 0 थप्दै जान मिल्छ. Yes, जयन्त.
ओ माय गॉड
जहाँ नम्बर पुगेन त्यहाँ 0 थप्न मिल्छ. ओके जयन्त? तर it should be straight.
दुवै ठाउँमा हैन
Yes, it should be straight है. Straight हुनु पर्यो. तल र माथि straight हुनु पर्यो. जोड्ने चीज क्लियर हुनु पर्यो. All right, Jayant. Thank you. Now Werewolf will speak. Ow! That's what werewolves do.
सर के भन्छ त्यो छ नि यो अब सपोज 1 2 मा के भन्छ यो 0.0 है उयो माथि 1 पनि थप्यो भने तलमा नि 0 पनि लेख्नु पर्छ.
I don't get it. माथि 0 जस्ट नम्बरहरु एउटै बनाउनु पर्यो नि त तल र माथि त्यसको लागि चाहिँ 0 थपेको.
I mean यहाँ छ नि अब उदियो तपाईले यहाँ यो 0 मा छ नि यो 1 थप्नु भएको छ अनि 1 छ अनि त्यसपछि फेरि त्यसमा चाहिँ त्यो 1 आएन भने चाहिँ 0 नै लेख्नु पर्छ.
यो माथिको 1 को कुरा गर्नु भयो?
सर नो
This
सर
one,
0 मा
यहाँ तलको नम्बरसँग म्याचलाई यो
0 मा के यो फर्स्टको सर फर्स्टकोमा
ए 0.23.
सर यहाँ तपाईले अघि
I'll let you annotate.
सर नो 0
Annotate
फर्स्टको 0 मा
Annotate गर्नुस्.
ए सर दिस 0 ए दिस
यो 0 मा के त?
सर दिस
यहाँ त क्यारी ओभर आको यो.
सर नि अब
यस.
सर मेरो मतलब त्यहाँ नि अब 0 मा 1 आइरह्यो अनि त्यसपछि छ नि अब त्यहाँ आएन भने नि फेरि 0 लेख्नु पर्छ.
पर्दैन. क्यारी ओभर आएन भने त 0 0 जोड्ने मात्र. इफ देयर इज नो क्यारी ओभर आएन भने त हामीले एड गर्दाखेरि क्यारी ओभर आएन भने 0 भनेर लेख्थ्यौँ त, लेख्दैन थियौँ नि. सो यो एडिसनै हो के. द वे वी एड इन एडिसन, हामीले एडिसन गर्दा जे गर्ने यहाँ पनि त्यही गर्ने, खालि पोइन्ट मात्र हुन्छ अब. सो आउ.
Sir, can you
Okay, I'll rub it. Okay, next, Liana. Liana, you have to say something?
सर यस सर
What?
के भन्छ मैले सर यस्तो यो जेरोमा 11 12 पनि हुन्छ वानहरुको सट्टामा.
हुन्छ. It's anything can happen. 0 को ठाउँमा 12 13 पनि हुन्छ. I'll give you that kind of question in a while. That is it?
सर
Yes, Liana.
सर न सर
Yes.
सर यस्तो हैन यहाँ 11 भयो अनि त्यसपछि यहाँ अगाडि चाहिँ 0 भयो भने क्वेशनलाई उ गर्न मिल्छ
के गर्न?
सर क्वेशनको एन्सर लेख्न मिल्छ त्यस्तो भयो
मिल्छ. माथि 0 अघि यहाँ भए जस्तै हेर्नुस् न लियाना, यहाँ पनि हेर्नुस् न. यहाँ तल 100 छ, माथि 25 मात्र छ. यो क्वेशनको एन्सर लेख्न मिल्छ नि, राइट? यो 8 हुन्छ, यो 4 हुन्छ, 2 + 2, यहाँ 1 मात्र हुन्छ. सो यहाँ केही पनि छैन. यसको मतलब यहाँ पनि 0 राख्न मिल्छ, नराख्दा पनि हुन्छ. सो यु क्यान जस्ट गेट 1. त्यसरी नै यहाँ पनि अब 11 भयो भने सुरुको 1 को माथि केही पनि हुँदैन, पछिको 1 को माथि पनि केही पनि हुँदैन. यहाँ तल मात्र 11 भयो भने सो यसरी मात्र जोडिन्छ. इज द्याट ओके लियाना? भयो लियाना? ओके, आई थिंक भयो. ओके, अभिनव, व्हाट इज इट? ए नॉट अभिनव, अनुभव जी भाई.
My doubt is clear.
Okay, yes, I was hoping
Stay
you
to
do that.
Zion.
What is it, Anubhav? Anything you want to ask?
Sir, my doubt is clear because you say that Giant has told you.
Okay.
was
That's good.
confused.
That's good.
Yeah,
That's
no.
good. Okay. So you can lower your hand if that is the case. Someone, please don't try. Okay, someone wants to say. Someone you want to say? Okay, I think you have finished, right? You have finished. That's what you're trying to tell me. Okay, if you have finished, I'll give you another question. That's what teachers do. Eh, no. Someone is saying no. Someone, what do you want to say? Okay.
Sir, if I get 6 plus 4 10 and I have to write 0 here and 1 carry over and 5 plus 5 10 and 11 1 over here, and if we keep going and in 0 plus 0 I have write 0.316. Is that correct?
Where? In which number? 0 point? Yes. 3.
Sir, that
Yes.
this.
Yes, that is correct, Shraman. Whatever you said is correct.
Sir, what do you mean? Whatever you see is correct?
No, I mean,
It's not correct.
whatever you just said, I heard it and it's correct.
Oh.
Your answer will be 0,
Uh,
3. So 0 point, this is, okay.
Sir, can you give like millions or billion question for homework?
This will be 1, this will be 1. This is your answer. 3611, 0.3611. Check your answers. Tomorrow I'll give you millions of questions, maybe millions. Millions is too big number, you never get million in your whole lifetime. You'll not get million, I think. Jayant, what is it?
Sir, can you see participants only 10 people?
Can you only what?
Sir, can you see participants only 10 people?
Yes. I know they are leaving. I'll make them absent. They'll get minuses. Stop it, Soman. Stop it. Hey, you want to say something?
Oh, very bad.
What do you want to say?
Sir, don't unmute me. I was going to say something and you just unmute me. This is not fair.
You were silent for a
Sir,
while.
this is not correct. Sir, do you know addition 6 plus 4 is 10, not 11?
0. Yes.
What?
Sorry.
Sir,
I
this is unfair, okay?
I was just trying to see if you will see or not. And very good, Soman. Very good. See, you just have, always
Sir,
something.
this is not